I'm Keiko, wife, boy mama of 3, certified trichologist and hair loss practitioner, and the heart behind Karma's Paradise. My journey has taken me from 9-to-5 employee to entrepreneur to now my true calling, helping others restore their hair, confidence, and purpose. Experiencing hair loss firsthand ignited something inside of me, and what once felt like a trial has become the testimony that has birthed everything that I do today. I developed the Growth Cocktail System, a natural hair care line created to repair, restore, and retain. With active hair follicles present, it even has the ability to reverse hair loss and improve overall scalp health. Paired with my signature Paradise method, clients gain a complete approach to healthy, thriving hair. But I don't stop there. I teach naturals how to love and care for their natural hair through my Length Retention Academy, a 90-day hair growth challenge where I guide you step by step with hair care, nutrition, and wellness accountability so that you not only grow your hair, but grow healthier habits for life. I also believe in creating opportunities. So through my affiliate program, I empower people just like you who want freedom and flexibility to earn a passive income while making an impact. And beyond hair care, I am the creator of KB Magazine, a quarterly faith-based digital publication that not only promotes my brand, but also helps countless other entrepreneurs shine. My passion for graphics and promotions has earned me the title The Promo Queen. At the core of it all, my work is fueled by faith. I've prayed for God to place me in the right rooms with the right people so that I can expand, inspire, and impact as many lives as possible with the gifts that He has given me. This is my story, this is my purpose, and this is just the beginning. So hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and join me here on YouTube for inspiration, natural hair care education, and opportunities to grow with me. I'll see you soon.